good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So you all can mute now. Or you can keep it for, let me talk first. So can you tell me what class we are going to do today? Yes, Rudrakshi?
Ma'am, measurement.
Measurement, yes. So can anybody tell me what is measurement? What do yes, Shahana, tell me?
We need a particular thing to measure a thing, like an eraser, a unit. That each unit have its different kind of species and different use. This
Okay, very good. Very good. Yes, anybody? Measurement? Tanushree?
Ma'am, measurement is the process of comparing two quantities and two quantities. That much.
Yes. So we will do measurement. Yes, Rahana, you want to say something?
is called measurement.
Yes.
Measurement is the process by which a quantity is measured with an unknown quantity.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shoham?
ma'am, measurement is a substance that we can count with the substance like with the content by one content with the with the one measurement from another and can calculate the number. No, ma'am, sorry, the numbers.
Substance.
No, ma'am, we have read in the science. That's why I'm getting problem.
Okay, fine. So let me explain. You know, measurement in simple words, no, we need to get the quantity of any object. Whatever object you take a pencil or a book. Suppose I have this book copy with me. So I want to know the length, breadth. This all thing is called measurement. But today we will discuss measurement in terms of means we have to measure some like kg to gram. Okay, this all measurement. Not only we will measure length, we will measure quantity of some mass also, and we will measure some liquid measurement also. What we say when we measure any liquid? Yes, Tanushree?
Capacity.
Capacity, very good. Who is saying that? Shreya, very good. Okay, so that is capacity. So let's start the class then. Okay, now simple way we know. Do you know any means kg to gram and then liter to meter? This all thing we know it. Okay, but the main thing we will learn today a shortcut formula. We will talk about a shortcut way of measuring anything from any unit. Whatever unit I give you, you can measure it. Just one trick I'll show you. And you can do it very easily. So let's start. Let me share the screen, okay? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it? Okay. So, see, measurement, we can measure three things. So we will write down liter. I'm doing in capital. Okay, generally we write down in small letter, but I'm doing it in capital so that you can understand. Liter, meter, gram. Shortcut of my name, you can use it, Lisa Mighty Ghosh. Okay, whatever. So liter, meter, gram. Liter, for what we are using liter? To measure any liquid like oil, milk, stone. Stone. No stone. Stone we can't measure, right? With liquid like a liter and this all thing. So stone we will measure with mass. That is gram, kilogram. Okay, so liter for any liquid item and meter, centimeter, whatever. I'll give the range. So meter we generally use to measure the length of any item like cloth. Okay, like the measurement of the book. This all thing we use meter, centimeter. Okay, and gram, I hope everybody can see. Okay, if you can't see, you tell me. Okay, and gram for what we use? Like when we go to the market, like your father is going or your mother is going to purchase any potato, tomato like this. So that time she says what? Give me 1 kilogram, 1 kg, like this, 1 kg of potato or half kg of potato, like this she is saying. So gram goes for measurement of item, gram, the weight, the mass. Now, if I tell you there are many more units are there. So let me see the unit. You all have to remember whenever you get this type of sum, you all do rough while doing maths. Right hand corner, you all do maths. So what you will do, whenever you get this type of sum, first only you write down this technique. Liter, meter, gram, first you write down. Then what you will do? Deca, hecta, kilo, or we say deca, hecta, kilo, deci, centi, milli. I'm writing in capital. Milli is generally written in small letter. Okay. So deca, hecta, kilo, deci, centi, milli. Repeat with me, everyone. Middle, what you will write down? No need of keep it mute, but you repeat yourself. Okay. Or you can unmute also. Liter, meter, gram. In center, you will write down liter, meter, gram. Clear? Liter, meter, gram. Center, you have to write down. And deca, hecta, kilo. Deca, hecta, kilo. Deci, centi, milli. Like this, you will write down. Now, forget about anything now. Just forget. Now, once you get this technique, what you will do? You just have to remember, if I tell you, convert kilogram to deci, you will get afraid how to do. Shahana, if I tell you kilogram to deci, what you will do? Any idea?
Multiply the number of steps it requires.
Yes, very good. So, how many steps are there? Tell me, kilogram to decigram. If I say kilogram, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps are there. So, you have to multiply with 4 zeros and there will be 1. You can't multiply with only zeros, so you have to multiply. So, you remember one thing, when you come from up to down, means from kilogram. Kilogram is the topmost. Okay? Kilogram to down anywhere. So down means whenever you are coming down, you need to multiply. Okay? Whenever you are going up means suppose I tell you convert milliliter to deciliter. That time you are going up. That means you have to divide. So you have to divide. So this much is clear? This much is clear. Now, easily you can convert now from any step to any step. Suppose I tell you hectometer, I am giving you 2 hectometer. Meter, or you can use liter, you can use gram. See this thing, deciliter, decimeter, decigram. This all you need, you have to use with these 3. These 3 are the common friend. These 3 are the common friend. So, kilo, when you are doing kilo, this is the sub part. This is the sub part. So, kilo, liter. So, when you are getting kilo, liter, if I tell you kiloliter, you will never get the question, convert kiloliter to kilometer. You will never get. Because that is different term. Kiloliter means you are measuring any liquid item. So you can't compare liquid with any other what? Weight, mass. You can't do that. So kiloliter, if you have any question, you unmute yourself, okay, and ask me the question. Clear? So kiloliter, it will go with liter only. So kiloliter, hectoliter, deciliter, then centiliter, milliliter, like this. Clear? Now let us do some sums. I'm writing it here. Now, tell me, let me see some sums. Okay. You all know point multiplication? See, simple multiplication, you can do it. Suppose I give you convert 28 kg to DG. DG stand for decigram. If I will write DAG, DAG means deca. This is DAG. This is DA. Okay, this is deci. Okay, so 28 kg to decigram. What will be the answer? Yes, tell me. Shahana, tell me.
Decigram can also be written as small d and small g.
Yes,
and
yes.
decigram can also be and
You can write down like this also. Okay, you can write down like this also. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 28 kg will be multiplied with 10,000 to make it decigram.
Yes.
So,
Tell.
the answer will be 10,000. So the answer will be 2,80,000
Very good.
decigram.
So, see, why we are doing like this? See, we are here now. 28 kg. So, where I am standing in kilogram place. I will not count that step. I am coming where? I am coming down to here. Deci. I am coming down here. So, how many steps I am coming down, Audrija? How many steps I am coming down? Audrija?
4 steps.
1, 2, 3, 4 steps. That's why I will multiply with 40. Clear? So what will be the answer? 2840. This is decigram. So you will write down decigram, DG. Clear? Now, multiplication is very easy to do, right? Just put 0 and come down. Now, suppose I give you to do divide. So, how to divide that time? You have to remember the decimal multiplication. You have seen I have done one more video of decimal division and multiplication. You can check that if you don't know decimal multiplication and division. Okay, you can go through that. Let me show you. Suppose, for example, I give you here, I'm in milliliter now. Suppose it is 266 milliliter. 266 milliliter. I'm standing where? Milliliter is this position. Milliliter is this position. Okay. Now I'm going up. How many steps I'm going up? Suppose I'm going to DAL. That is decaliter. Where it is decaliter, how many steps we are going up? Who can tell me?
4 steps.
Yes, who is giving the answer? Just Rudrakshi? Rudrakshi Shrestha, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many steps we are going up?
4 steps.
4 steps. We are in here. We are standing here. Milliliter. Okay. So we are going up to decaliter. Decaliter is where? Here. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So will you multiply or will you divide?
Divide.
Very good. Divide. So how you will do the division? 266. You have to divide by 140. 1, 2, 3, 40. How will you divide? That shortcut division I told you, Ruparna. Ruparna, are you clear? Clear? So division, decimal, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So decimal division, what you have to do? How many 0 is there? 40. So think the point is here. When there is no point in the number, so think the point is here. So imagine, okay, don't do it. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So imagine here 1, 0. So what will be your answer? 0.0266. You can put an extra 0, then it will look nice. So this way you will do the division. Yeah. So in this way you will do the division. Whatever number you get, you just have to remember when you do decimal division, just how many steps you have to see that first. Then that many 0 you will use it. Okay. Once you use that many 0, that many steps you will go back side. Multiply what you are doing. Suppose let me do one more sum. Wait. See, this is decimal division we did. Now I will show you. Suppose I am standing at 28.9 hectare, meter or gram, anything you can take, and hectare to decigram. Decigram. You are coming down with a point. So you will do what? Who can tell me?
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. How many steps? How many steps we have done?
3 steps.
Yes, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps we are coming down. So we will multiply with 50. How many zeros? Show me with your finger. How many 0 we will use? Shrestha, how many 0 we are going to use? 3 0. Fine. So we are going to use 3 0 because we are coming down 3 steps. So let me multiply 28.9 into 1. 3 zeros are there. Clear? 3 zeros. Now how to do this decimal multiplication? Mrinal, are you getting? How many zeros you are getting? 3. So 3 steps, the point will jump to the right side. For division, the point was jumping to the left side. Now the point will jump to the right side. So simple way what you will do, first you write down whatever number is given with the extra 0, you write it down. Fine. Now your point is here. So think your point is here. So how many steps you will jump? 3 zeros are there. So point is here. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. So your point will come here. So you will write down the answer 28900. No need of writing the point because after point there is no value of 0. So our answer will be this much decimeter. So whenever you get this type of sum, do this part in the rough side of your page. Okay, don't show this sum. You do it as a rough. Am I clear? So the simple steps you have to remember. First you have to remember this one. Take it as a formula. First you will write down liter, meter, gram. Then you will do what? Deca, heka, kilo, and down deci, centi, milli. Just you practice this one. LMG in between. Then deca, heka, kilo, deci, centi, milli. Okay? I hope it is clear with everyone. Anybody has any problem? So if you understand this concept, you can do full chapter, your full chapter is complete. If you understand this concept, your full chapter is complete. Just you have to remember this liter, meter, gram, deca, heka, kilo, deci, centi, milli, and whatever. If you are coming down from kilogram to down you are coming, you have to multiply. You just leave the place where you are standing, like this one is hectogram. So you are here. So leave this one. Count till dg. So dg is here. Deci. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps you are coming down. You will not take the step where you are standing. You will just discard that. You will count the below steps. Okay. So that means 0 you will multiply with. Same way, divide also you will use the same procedure. Clear? Now, let me do one more sum. I think the time is covering up. Let's do it. Doesn't matter. I will send you one more link, okay? Now, suppose I give you one sum this way. 8 meter, 6 decimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 millimeter. Full thing you convert into millimeter. Whenever you get this type of sum, 8 decimeter, 8 meter, 6 decimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter. So you are starting from here. Simple way the answer is 8632. But then if I tell you, show me the steps. How you will show the steps? How you will show the steps? Who can tell me? Audrija, can you tell me how to do this sum? Any idea after learning the process? Anybody? Shahana?
Ma'am, here we are starting from meter and it has told to convert to millimeter. So there
Yes.
are 2 places in them. So we are going to multiply it with 100 and then we'll get our answer as 86.32 millimeter.
See, one thing. First is this is millimeter. So we are coming down. Okay. So we are coming down from where to where? From here to here. So first, you will not multiply directly. 8 meter, meter to millimeter you convert. So 8 meter means you are standing here. Here to here means 8 into 1000. Okay. First you take one step. First you take this much. Shrestha, clear? 8 into 1000. Then plus 6 into decimeter to millimeter. So deci is here. Decimeter to millimeter. So how many steps? 2 steps. So you will multiply with 100. Plus centimeter. Means centimeter is here. Centimeter to millimeter. 1 step. That means 3 into 10. Plus 2 millimeter. So you are in millimeter. No need of counting. You just write down 2. So what will be your answer? 8000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Now you add it. What will be the answer? 8632. Expanded form. You can write it in short form. So this will be your answer. Clear, Shana? So in this way, you have to do the longer sums. Okay. Now, so today till this much. Now, if you have any query, you all have my number. I'm stopping this one. So you all have my number. You all can contact me. I can explain further. So, but till this much, I think it is clear with you all. Anybody has any confusion? So first thing you have to remember, in between you write down liter, meter, gram, deca, heka, kilo, deci, centi, milli. Okay. From top to bottom, when you are coming down, you need to multiply or divide. What? You need to multiply. And when you are, yes, when you are going up, from down to up you are going, you need to divide. Now, whenever you get this long type of sum, what you will do? First, you take the first value like 8 meter, 6 decimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter I said. So first I have converted 8 meter, 2 millimeter. So step by step, if you do, you will never make mistake. Just one thing you have to remember, the formula, the part. Okay. So whenever you do, yes, tell me. Who is that?
Ma'am, next another link to you. Ma'am, another link to you will send, no?
No, I won't send. Do you need one more explanation? Or I will end it. Do you need? Anybody has any confusion? Mrinal, did you understand? You didn't understand?
No, ma'am.
Shrestha, you didn't?
Ma'am, I have understand.
Shrestha, did you? Shrestha? Is it clear? Tell me. If it is not clear, then I'm going to send you one more link.
And it's clear.
It's clear? You just have to remember the technique. You all can see this video once again. Okay, I will upload this video. If you don't understand, you can see it once again. The thing you have to remember, in between you write down liter, meter, gram, then deca, heka, kilo, deci, centi, milli. Once you remember this technique, you can easily convert from kilogram to any down when you are coming, multiply. When you are going up, you need to divide. And when you are getting longer sum conversion, that time what you have to do, step by step you do. Don't jump and don't write the answer directly. Then ma'am, your teacher, your class teacher can think how you have written the answer. So always try to expand it. So it will be easier for you all to understand next time when you see the sums. Okay. So always try to expand and do. Don't do it directly. That is not a good idea. Like suppose one more example, 2 kg, 4 Hg, 6 Dag, 2 gram. So 2 kg we will convert first. 2 kg we will convert to gram. Then 4 Hg we will convert to gram. Then 6 Dag we will convert to gram. Then full thing you add it. Yeah. Then full thing you add it. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked the class. And see, I will take this type of online class every month. So you all are invited or you all are requested, whatever, you all can join anytime. Okay. So you all can join anytime. This is just a free class. Every month, 2 classes I'm going to take. So next time I'm planning for a time, or I will give you whatever. You want to choose the class, then you can choose the class. Okay. I will give a Google form. You all can choose the class. Okay.
Ma'am, this is revising.
Yeah, this is good, and you can revise also in this one. It's very nice, interesting also to see so many faces together. So thank you for today. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.